Alright, fellow model builders, it is unboxing time again, and yes, I know this is 2 in a row. That's because this weekend with it, where I'm at, I'm going to get a lot of rain from leftovers of Hurricane Nicole. So there might be a little bit of flooding in my area, but, well, that's going on. Me and my dad were going to be building some models, so I'm going to build this 68 El Camino I got for my birthday, and my dad's gonna be building that 41 Plymouth. Alright, let's get the parts out after we look at the box. Let's see. 396 V8, 2 different rims, a soapbox derby racing car, and a Coca-Cola display case. Yeah, well, right here's the display case, so we got it out. Drink Coca-Cola. Alright, we got the lovely 68 Chevy body. About to remove some parts. We got one set of tires are in good years. We got a windshield and back glass and our taillights. We got these style rims, or these valve covers, air cleaner, a few other stuff, and bumpers and grill. Now we get to the main parts. We got our hood. We got our floor pan. Not sure what that is. Our gas tank. We got our frame. Let's see, bed parts. Ooh, we got our tires for a little soapbox racer, and we got a massive bow tie. I'll probably be doing a separate video on this. What we got here? We got our seats. Well, one of my seat backs fell off the tree. And there it is. Some type of frame part or body part, whatever, and our A-arms and our, I think, cross member is what it's called. Parts of our exhaust system, tires and shocks, and our steering wheel, and our intake and carburetor. Rear end, drive shaft, and more parts of our exhaust system. Our door panels, a few like motor compartment stuff, tire pieces, and a few pieces I'm not sure what they are, shocks. Dash, firewall, motor parts, all that. Got our tailgate. This is our display stand back support. I'm just gonna get one of them out, put it back in, but you got 2 short metal axles. It's for the soapbox derby racing. Let's see. We'll see the directions here in a sec. Here's our massive decal sheet. I might get black off of maybe my 69 Camaro. We'll see. Indiana license. And oh my gosh, this is the shortest directions I've ever seen, and I mean legit the shortest. Alright, now time to see the actual directions. That's out the front, blah, blah, blah. Alright. Got the motor putting together. All the better stuff got put on the fan belt. And some accessories. Put the tires together. Seats together, console, dash, steering wheel in. Put all that together. Fed together with the gas tank. And then put our frame stuff together. Exhaust. We got rear end stuff. Well, it almost seems like this could be a reveal kit if you wanted it to be. It says it's a skill level 3, but most of your EMT kits are a skill level 2, so I guess it's Coca-Cola, that's why it's skill level 3. Put that on. Here's all this stuff. This is about the same stuff I had to put on my 68 Chevelle. And blah blah blah. Hope you enjoy that, and here I'll do a body comparison because I have it right here. All this is just a 68 Chevelle front end. My favorite year is the 1970 Chevelle and El Camino both. So I hope you enjoy this. And look, you'll see the videos come out on these probably sometime during the weekend. If not, maybe Monday. We shall see. Alright, see you guys later. Bye. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing.